Hey, good morning. It's early. Well, earlier than I normally get up and about. I haven't had my coffee yet. Will say that. I'm up because I hear a chirp. I hear a smoke alarm calling me. Needs its battery changed. I think it's that one up there. No, it echoed from, sounded like maybe this way. Let's go look around and see if we can figure out which alarm it is that's going off. Haha. I think I found it. There's one in the hallway. Good, because that one up there is so high. I don't know how I would reach it, but I think it's the one in the hallway. Let's go see. Well, now that I'm close to that one, it doesn't sound like it's that one. Let's keep looking. Ah, I think that's it. I believe it's that one up there. It's the loudest when I get to it. So I'll have to get a ladder. Those usually take a 9-volt battery. So let's climb up there and see, and then we'll go look and see if we have a 9-volt battery in the house somewhere. It is a 9-volt, and I think we have one, so we'll go get it and change it out. Yes, I did have one. It's a good thing. Always keep spare battery just in case you need it. If this happens in the middle of the night, you really don't want to have to run down to the store and get a battery. So, thankfully, if it did happen in the middle of the night, I didn't hear it. But let me show you how the little door opens and how to change it. The alarm is going to continue to sound because it's hardwired to the house. In case your power goes out, your smoke alarm will still go off. So that's what the battery's for. So they last a pretty good while just because they're not being used constantly. But let's see how to open it and change the battery. So when I turned it to pull it off the wall, and it made a loud, like a warning sound, like leave me alone. But I see there's a little door here that you can just pop up. And that right there is where the battery was, and that's where I put the new one in. There is, if you look really closely, I took a picture, and there's a negative there. So it goes in this way. Just like that, and then just close the door. Now let's listen and see if it goes off or if it's solved. Nope, I haven't heard it chirp anymore, so solved the problem. So some of the alarms that I've noticed have a little flashing light when the battery is low, so you'll be able to see it. But this one I didn't notice anything. There may have been, I just didn't notice it. But pretty simple to do. You don't really have to just rip it off the wall because it's irritating you. You can just have a spare battery ready and change it out. Only takes a second, and it'll save a life in case your house catches on fire. So be thankful. thankful for them. And thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.